How to fix mismatched HTML tags, syntax errors. Have you ever stared at your HTML code, puzzled by why your web page isn't displaying correctly? Mismatched HTML tags could be the culprit. Let's break down how to fix these syntax errors step by step. First, it's essential to understand HTML tags. Most HTML elements consist of an opening tag, like the less than symbol followed by a tag name, and a closing tag, which has a / before the tag name. Some tags, like the image tag or line break tag, are self-closing and do not need a closing tag. Next, check for missing closing tags. Every opening tag should have a corresponding closing tag. For instance, if you have an opening div tag, ensure there is a closing div tag somewhere later in your code. Missing closing tags can lead to layout issues or cause content to display incorrectly. Proper nesting of tags is another key point. When you open a tag inside another tag, you must close the inner tag before closing the outer tag. For example, the structure of a paragraph tag containing a strong tag should look like this: opening paragraph tag, opening strong tag, text, closing strong tag, and then closing paragraph tag. If you close the paragraph tag before the strong tag, it creates an error. Using semantic tags can help reduce errors. HTML5 introduced tags like header, navigation, section, and footer, which provide structure to your page. This reduces the need for excessive div tags, making it easier to track your code. Employing an HTML validator is also a smart move. There are many online tools and code editors with built-in validators that can automatically detect mismatched tags and other syntax errors. These tools highlight the exact location of errors, which makes fixing them much easier. Keeping your code clean and properly indented is another helpful tip. When your HTML code is well formatted, it becomes easier to visually identify where tags open and close. This practice helps spot mismatches quickly. Avoid placing block-level elements inside inline elements improperly. For example, do not put a div tag inside an anchor tag, as this can lead to rendering problems and violates HTML rules. Lastly, if you want to display angle brackets as text on your page, use HTML entities. For instance, to show less than or greater than characters without them being interpreted as tags, use the symbols for less than and greater than. By carefully checking that every tag opens and closes correctly, nesting tags properly, and using code validation tools, you can fix mismatched HTML tags. This will help you create well-structured and engaging web pages that display correctly in browsers.